a virtual background that has really bright colors, brighter than you, that's kind of consuming the other person's eye, you will not look better. If the colors are the wrong color, you might look like you're like the wrong color, especially because of the blue light coming from the computer screen or the monitor. You already look a little bit washed out. So you need to be really conscious of the colors behind you on your virtual background. You also want the perspective, if it's a room or a visual, to be the same perspective, because you don't want people having to feel like they're like looking up at the wrong perspective. So the colors, the angle, and the set of whatever your virtual background is really important, because it's not the main focus. You're the main focus.